Let me go ahead and unlock this real fast. Y'all need to see that. Unlocking it. Here we go. You need to see it. Still going. There we go. Wait for it. Wait for it. Hey, I got it. That took a while. There we go. Alright. Gonna get my shed, get my bike out. Oh. What the? Yo. This is kind of cool. Yo. We got concrete in here. Yo, we got concrete. Also got a stool. That's real nice. But, you know, I just got new concrete in the shed. And looks kind of insane. So, it's time for me to do an oil change on this bike. Well, actually, I'm changing 2 oils. Technically, I mean, well, it's like 100 degrees out, humidity's through the roof. I cannot breathe out here. It's terrible, but now that I can do it in here and not on the bloody shed, I think I'm good. So, well, let's get to work. Alright, so the first thing you have to do for an oil change is go ahead and find where you change your oil. I've memorized it. So engine oil is 219. This is transmission oil. I'm already on it. So what I'm going to go ahead and have to do is start the engine, let it idle, and stop and wait 3 minutes. And then for engine oil, what do I have to do? I have to, where is it? There we go, engine oil change. Change the oil with the engine warm and the motorcycle on level ground. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so I think what I mainly gotta do, because it's on level ground right now. So what I gotta do, the most dreaded part, oh god. Guys, I don't want to do this. I don't want to start the bike. But I will, anyway. What I'm going to do is just start it. I'm not even going to let it idle for 3 minutes because it's already 100 degrees out. So the bike's probably in that like 90 to 80 degree range right now because it's cooler in here. So what I did before I did the oil change, I went to my Honda house, which is really nice. I can go get parts for it. I can get air filters. Got me an oil filter and the O-ring because I'm going to actually be putting on a new oil filter cover. It's going to be right. It's just Tusk. Crap, is there a gasket in there? No, there would not be. And then I've got this huge thing of 10W30 for Honda. My bike takes it for both engine and transmission oil. And then I got these. I'm going to drain the oil and then put the drained oil in there, see how much oil it comes out to, and put about a liter back in, or 0.50 of a liter in. I don't do math. But yeah, anyway. Let's start this bike. Alright. Let's do it. So when you get it started, you just wait. Alright, so the engine's still a little hot, so I'm just gonna wait a little longer. I just finished starting it. I feel bad because my neighbors, it's so loud and everything like that. But once it cools off, I'm gonna go ahead and drain the engine oil, which will be pretty easy. It's just a bowl. I don't know if I can get it for y'all under there. I suck at doing that. Drain it into that pan. And then, yeah. And then I'll do transmission. Alright. So, I kind of like spilled oil everywhere. Which, well, my Risk Racing Factory pit mat got me covered. I linked it in the description. And it's awesome. Sponsored by Risk Racing. Yes, sir. You already know. But, well, what I did was I just removed that. And then, well, I removed the bolt under there. Whatever. Yeah. And then drain this bad boy. I don't know how much I drained. Think about probably something like a liter. Something like that. But yeah, I mean, there's the Earl. What I'm gonna do now is rock the bike this way so more oil gets out. If you can. Dude, there's a spider, Mr. Spider. Get off my kill switch. No, don't go in that oil hole. Oh my gosh. Let's not do that. Looks poisonous. I don't want to mess with it. Y'all got the spider cam real fast while I mess with this. Which oil am I spilling all over the place? Y'all ready to kill the spider for me? He's dead, yay! Well, he's not living anymore. Oh, that's a lot of oil, yay! I spilled a lot of oil, guys. That's lovely. That's lovely. That is lovely. We love spilling oil all over the place. That's so lovely, guys. Trying to get all this bad oil out. I think we're good. Now I just gotta clean it all up with the paper towel and then open the oil filter. Alright, let's do it. Oh man, it's hot out, guys. So I just installed oil filter. I'm trying to install this. It is so hot. I'm sweating so badly. But I'm gonna get it done. I still have not even drained the transmission oil yet. So, well, let me get this installed and then I'll drain the transmission. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and change the transmission oil. Let's get it. Alright guys, so for the transmission oil, it's pretty much the exact same thing. You just gotta warm up the bike, drain the oil, put the recommended amount of oil in, look through the oil fill hole, and yeah, pretty much just like that. You'll pretty much be good after that. You're good to ride. So it's pretty much the exact same thing as engine oil with just no oil filter. But I'll probably make a video on transmission oil later on. I just got too tired, did it later. But yeah, didn't feel like filming. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe. See ya.